Robin Hood. Did the English hero Robin Hood really exist? It is difficult to say. The earliest reference to the legend of Robin Hood appears to date from about 1377 CE, and the oldest manuscript is from the late 1400s. The stories of Robin Hood's adventures first appeared in the form of ballads. As the legend goes, Robin and his band of men lived in the forests of northern England. Robin was thought to be a hero because he challenged the local lords, and even the king. English kings had raised taxes and introduced strict hunting laws, which prevented many people from entering royal forests. It is possible that there really was an outlaw like Robin Hood who challenged these laws. However, it is also possible that a fictional character named Robin Hood was created by storytellers to explain how difficult life was for many people during this period in history. There's an illustration of Robin Hood and his band of outlaws. If you were a lady in waiting. Queens during the Middle Ages would have had ladies in waiting to attend to them. If you are destined to become a lady in waiting, you too will leave home at an early age to begin your training. Only girls from noble households can wait upon other noble ladies, including members of the royal family. A young girl from a noble family. Therefore, your training takes place in a noble household. You are expected to acquire excellent manners. You learn to dance, sew, and ride a horse. You learn to read, and often to speak a foreign language. You might even learn to be a skillful archer. A lady in waiting learned to sew. Here we go. This last part right here. Your many duties include helping to dress your mistress, brushing her hair, and helping her bathe. You also tend to her clothes, repairing them and cleaning them. As with all ladies in waiting, the purpose of your training is to ensure that you eventually marry a nobleman. A lady in waiting would brush her mistress's hair.